don't even know what to start with. Adam was the most passive-aggressive sophomore in 5th period choir 2 years ago that he could have existed. He did not give a good gosh darn about a thing that happened that year. And yet here we are today. He's passionate about the group in his own ways, slightly less about chorale, and about twice as passive-aggressive as he was. The amount of substantial thoughts that go through his head are so incredibly numerous you can almost count them on one hand. However, he's brought an entirely new genre of vibe to VS, and to each of us, really. His enthusiasm is often distracted, but with a little guidance, he has become an irreplaceable member of the group. We appreciate all you've brought, and I'm certain you're bound to do great things.
I'm Adam Willig, and this is Sasha playing the guitar, and Jack, Sophie, Liz, and Robert are going to be here. So, I'm going to do Chicken Fried by Zach Romper.
No, I like chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio and that's all you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. In my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's born in the southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. Well, I see the sunrise. See the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, oh, a mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Now where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. No dollar sign on a piece of mind is how I've come to know. So if you agree to have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. A little bit of chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. Sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, no mother's love. I thank God for my life, and for the stars and stripes. May freedom forever fly, let it ring. Salute the ones who died, the ones who give their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. Well, see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, no mother's love.